Up for sale is a Kubota M7060. It does have the hydraulic shuttle, 12-speed transmission, forward to reverse, no clutch pedal, universal skid loader quick attach. It'll fit any skid loader bucket, bale spear, pallet forks, snow blade, you name it. Does have the mirrors. Take note, it's Radial tires. All 4 matching Radial tires, cast senders. Category 2 3-point hitch. 2 rear remotes. It's got the front wiper and washer. You can add a rear wiper if you want to put like a snowblower or something on it. 540 PTO. It's a 2020. It just has 319 hours on it. It's ready to put to work.